No! 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 Rah! No! No! Keep walking! Ah! Ah! Oh, for fuck's sake. No! You fuck... Get back! I just want to finish the level! It is so stupid! No, 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 no! Why? Why didn't they build this game for me? For God's sake. Bro! Cool! Stay cool! Got fucking things to get and stuff. Why? Ratchet! We're supposed to be in this together! I don't even remember a time when there was other levels. Can't do this. What are you doing, Ratchet? That's not funny! That's not funny, Ratchet! That's not funny! Oh, Ratchet, you brought me home. My vacation away from working. Change the view, Ratchet. I don't want to do it sideways. Getting to the stage where it's not even funny. I can play my video game 'cause I'm— oh my god, what the hell? I'm feeling suicidal now. That was your fault. What the— these magneboots are faulty. I need to get some more. Where's Ratchet not wearing shoes? His feet must hurt. I mean, that's snow. That was your fault. Your fault! Have I got all my lives? That can't be right. That doesn't sound right to me. He's my devastator! Fuck you up, bitch! If you fucking kill me, I'm gonna be so pissed. Thank you, Glove of Doom. I think that might be my favourite. Can we just, does anyone else think metal detector is like the shittest gadget that Ratchet gets? Oh god, please help me. No! Oh my god! Fuck yeah.
Captain Quark!
Yes!
Here, come on, Quark.
I've never got this far before! Oh, Quark. Such a lol. It's like a part of me is complete. Part of me is complete. Oh, not more fucking magnebooting, shitting face bum. Take this moment out to say, why does YouTube always only choose like the derpiest thumbnails? Why is it always like between derp, derp and derp? Because